This video is different than what you usually see on your favorite YouTube channels. Mainly because it looks like crap. But it's a fancy crap though. It's not some black and white post-process or anything like that. It's actually recorded with a modified camera that sees infrared spectrum, or rather a full light spectrum, but limited with some filter. By doing that, I can convince any model that I'm doing actually some artistic stuff, and they no longer care about me taking crappy pictures. I carry this gun in case they still don't want to pose. You should really have it in your camera bag, it's a must-have. Anyway, it's almost like shooting regular pictures, but if you're limiting the visible spectrum close to the only infrared light, then it may be really hard to expose the pictures. Stuff is gonna get dark and noisy if you shoot in the interiors, and that's all due to this dark filter. So you should either have some lamps or change the filter to pass more light. That should do the job, see? I could also use a more expensive camera with a better ISO, but I would rather move my ass outside, and so I did, on some different photo shoot. You see? Your guy goes out of his basement from time to time. If you don't live in a concrete jungle, then you probably have some trees outside. They do a great job by reflecting infrared, so you can tweak your pictures and achieve great colors. Like the red or orange leaves when using 550 nanometer filter. If you stick to 720 nanometer filter, you can get a quite desaturated image with a bit of red vibe, or a blue one if you swap color channels. Vegetation will become white, eyes will be darker, you may lose some skin pigmentation detail, but it won't become just some monochromatic mess. It will really give the picture a great marble feel. That's all I have for you today. Hope you enjoyed it. Write a comment if you're interested in infrared or full spectrum photography. I think I could even make more videos just about this specific topic, or maybe some intro guide for you. And stay creative. See ya in next video if I ever record another one.